Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and today we're going to look at a very interesting bike. Let's check it out together. We're starting off in the showroom, but the bike we're going to look at is actually outside, and it's a beautiful day. So let's get up there, and on the way I will show you some really cool inventory of Royal Enfield motorcycles, some outstanding classics. This is my favorite. Oh, and actually someone already purchased it. Here's another one. And the one we're gonna check out today is very special in the way of accessories. And we have it here right in front of our main showroom. And by the way, I am reporting from our Boxborough location. This is our main showroom, and this is our service center, delivery area, all together close to almost 20,000 square feet of exciting automotive environment. And here's the bike. So what's so special about it? This is what we call short-tail Continental. Short tail because, as you can see, it looks very different in the back. And we're going to obviously take a much closer look at the bike. And as far as value, this particular pre-owned short tail Continental GT is an outstanding value, because if you are going to order a new bike and you're going to have these accessories installed by a dealership, you're going to spend a little over $3,000. The short tail kit, this modification is about $1,600. The front and rear turn signals, about $230. The aluminum side covers, about $350. And the seating package with a color match cowl, a little over $400. The Cafe Racer mufflers, those are a great deal on our website. You can pick them up and have us install it all together, just a little over $450. And the bar end mirrors, which are not installed on this bike but included, is another $200 value. So over almost $3,200 in value if you select to buy this bike. So check out availability, and with all the maintenance up to date, with the first service done on time, and with all the included accessories in the price, it's a great buy. As you can see, the frame was shortened, and a short tail package was installed on the bike. And it includes a number of modifications, and you can learn more about it on our website, on our accessories website. But just real quick, the frame of the bike was shortened, and this U-shape piece was inserted. And yes, it was inserted properly right here. You can see on this side, and on that side. Here it is. Let me just focus on it. Okay, here it is. So you can see this area right here. It has a cute little tail light. There's a license plate light right here. What else do we have on this bike? We have custom slim turn signals. These are the rear ones, and you can see the special brackets behind the shock mount. And here are the front ones with the special bracket. All the parts are powder coated. Here it is. Then, to give it a vintage look, there are aluminum powder coated side covers. You can see one on this side and one on this side. They really turn this bike into just a different looking one. So that's that, and you can still lock and unlock this compartment. We do have Cafe Racer mufflers, which are also available on our accessory website. And we have two sets of mirrors. So when you check out the listing, there will be pictures of the Royal Enfield factory bar and mirror set, and the ones that are installed on the bike now. You can see them here. I actually like the other ones better, and yes, they are included with the bike. And we have Royal Enfield solar seat with color match cowl. There's also a slim seat that is included with the bike, and you'll see it in the images with the listing, so definitely check that out. The bike only has 1,462 miles. We sold this bike when it was brand new. It is a one-owner bike. And the first service, 300-mile service, which is very important. Any service is important, but doing the first service on time is critically important. It was done on time. We have the record of it. It was done by our dealership. And by the way, this Ice Queen color combination, it is no longer available through Royal Enfield. So very nice. It's a pearl white, beautiful color. Very, very nice color. All the service is up to date, so you can check our listing and you'll see the most recent service which we just completed, which included the chain maintenance that was done. $1,400 miles and change. You can see condition of tires are close to new. Brakes are in excellent condition, and as you can see, the rotor is nice and smooth. No signs of overheating or hard braking. Here's the rear tire, nice and smooth, no cupping. And the same is true here. The rotor is nice and smooth. And here's another look at the short tail modification. The condition of the bike, let's check it out. Actually, there's a tiny little scratch I can see right here. I'm showing it to you. This is just a paint, a little bit of scuff that will come off. There's a tiny little scratch right there. So we're disclosing that. Front forks look really nice. No chips. The header pipe's in great condition. No scuffs on the bottom. The aluminum is in actually very good condition. I thought it was actually some light pitting. It seems like it's actually cleaning off. But just for full disclosure, I would say there are light surface imperfections, but it still looks very, very presentable. We're just super picky and with full transparency. So that's that. A tiny little mark. I don't even know if it's a scuff during the operation of the bike or maybe installation of the mirror. Tiny little scuff right there. And this one is nice. Again, I looked at the bottom of the bike. There was no scuffs or scrapes. I'm looking at the bottom of these, no scrapes. The bottom of the mufflers, no scrapes. You can see a little mark right here. Again, very, very minor. The tailpipe, nice and smooth. Bottom of the engine, let's check that out for you. Look at the chain that was just serviced. Great condition. Adjustable shocks. Let's hear the bike. $1,464 miles. We are in neutral. I'm gonna grab the microphone. Got the idea. And for those of you that haven't ridden Royal Enfield with a twin engine, the Continental GT or the In 650 Interceptor, these are absolutely amazing bikes. The first time you get on one, before you even actually get to ride it, you're greeted with incredibly smooth engine, and the gear shifts are just when you're shifting the first from neutral to first gear, it's just such a rewarding click, and then as you shift through the gears, it's just impeccably smooth. The whole machine is nice and smooth. And then of course when you're starting to go on the back roads or accelerating on the highway, it doesn't matter the environment, but the bike keeps impressing you with the way it performs. So whether you like the Continental GT for its a little bit more leaning forward and sportier rider position, or maybe an Interceptor, more classic seating position, both bikes are absolutely amazing. So definitely check them out if you like the way this bike is set up. We still have it at the time of this video, and if we don't have it, we can set one up for you just the same way. Thank you very much for viewing this video. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, and please let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking the like button.